Today donut chart. In the last video we have seen a Power BI map and stacked column chart, stacked bar chart, and funnel chart. All the charts are seen in the last videos. Okay, then let's start to see a donut chart. Okay, just click here. I just resize this donut chart. Okay, resize this one. Okay, yeah, after that I will take the country on the legend. After that sell price, I will take on that values. Okay, see here all the sales price shown by the country. Okay, uh, we will do some cosmetic part of that donut chart. Go to the format button. Okay, on the legend we this one is I will off just legend I off that one. Okay, details level, go to the details level, it should be on. Okay, if you want to change your position of that donut chart, yeah, refer outside. Okay, how it will be work. Okay, outside just ice. Okay, in the label content it should be whatever do you want. Okay, but I'll take it the all detail labels. Okay, yeah, is it okay? See here, country wise sales is showing here. Okay, yeah, thank you.